Welcome to Spreadsheet 1, Topic 5.3.1, Inserting, Moving, and Sizing Graphics. So, let us take a blank spreadsheet here, and let's insert an image. We can put one in the cell or over the cells. So we insert an image in the cell, and we'll take one that we have the rights to use, search for logo in the drive. We should be able to find that Headway School logo. So inserting that in the cell, we can see that it tucks in a little bit in that corner of that cell. And if we resize the cell, then it scales. If, however, we insert an image over the cell, and we will do that same search for that logo. And searches are generally more successful if you spell the word correctly. Inserting this over the cell will insert that image in its original size. And this allows us the freedom to move it, whereas in the cell, it is in that cell. Out of the cell, we can insert, and we can more freely adjust the size. Sometimes you want this just in the corner. Notice that by default, the aspect ratio is preserved when we scroll by the corner, but not by the middle or the side. Just undo that. If we go by the sides, we can distort it. But again, sticking with the corners, Google Sheets will preserve the aspect ratio of that image. So again, inserting it in the cell, we'll just keep it in that cell with that same aspect ratio, which gives you a little more control about placement. We know it's going to stay in that spot of the spreadsheet, but sometimes that's not what you want. Sometimes you do want it overlaid, as in, say it's a letterhead or something along those lines, in which case you insert it over the cells.